Good day, everyone. Welcome to TradeSupreme.ai. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We will be discussing the recent elections that took place in the United States, the inauguration, which we just had a few days ago, where Donald Trump was sworn in as 45th and 7th President of the United States of America. So in today's episode, we will be discussing his policies. We do know that he has his top 10 policies that he's looking to implement, especially from day one. We do know that in the past 72 hours, probably more than that, since Donald Trump has been sworn in as the president, he's already signed a few executive orders, which shows that he is trying to get the ball rolling from day one. Let's get into the episode. So I'd like us to start off with the policies. The most important policies that Donald Trump is looking at is the economy. The economy is a big factor and a big narrative that Donald Trump has been pushing. He believes that inflation can come down to a lower level. Right now, we are at a drop from a 40-year high, which we experienced around 2022. So basically, inflation was through the roof. Prices of goods and services were high. Americans weren't happy with all of the prices on simple goods like bread, milk, even housing costs. Housing costs have increased a lot over the past few years, and Donald Trump is trying to get this under control in his new term. So basically, the way he's looking to do this, he believes that he can lower prices by promoting local manufacturers. Trump has been an advocate of trying to get local manufacturers involved in producing most of the goods and services that the United States need. He's trying to move away from trade with China. China is the biggest manufacturer in the world, and they are involved in most of the trade that takes place worldwide. So Trump has introduced tariffs, which we saw in his last term, of around 60% on China. So we do know that's a lot of money, basically, and by doing this, he is trying to promote and strengthen the local economy by pushing local businesses. We know that oil has been a big factor of the economy, and Trump is looking to bring more opportunities to local manufacturers of oil. He's also looking at creating oil rigs in different parts of the country. We do know that the Arctic wilderness will be used as a drilling ground to find oil. Trump also has the ambitions of becoming the biggest supplier of oil in the world. We do know that that will be a bit of a mission for him because OPEC at the moment is the biggest supplier. And now that Saudi Arabia are part of BRICS, they're looking to find different ways of trading oil. One of the ways that they're looking at is removing the dollar from all trading with oil. So basically what that will do is it will allow OPEC to move away from a heavier system of we do know that the dollar is a very strong currency. So OPEC is trying to move away from that, and they are trying to create their own currency with BRICS. So basically, we do know that at the moment, oil is being traded worldwide, and OPEC is the biggest supplier of it. We see over the upcoming years, maybe upcoming months, how far Trump will get with his plans to make USA the biggest supplier of oil. Now I'd like to get into taxes. Taxes has been a big part of Donald Trump's plans for the economy. We do know that he is a businessman himself, and he does take advantages of some of the tax cuts that are available to him. So we do know that he favors a lot of tax cuts for corporations, looking to cut taxes up to 15%. He's looking to cut taxes more for businesses and the wealthy. We do know that back in 2017, there was a tax act that Donald Trump had enacted, which had to be put on pause when the new president, Biden, came into office. Now that Donald Trump is back, we can expect those 15% cuts to take place and even more tax cuts coming in over the past few years. Another part of Donald Trump's plans for the economy is trade. So we did get into a bit of trade. We did get into a bit of the tariffs and all the costs that he's putting on trade. One of the most important things to look at is the cost on foreign goods. Foreign goods coming into the country at a rate of 10 to 20%. That's the tariffs that Donald Trump has put on all foreign goods coming in. But from China, he has a big percentage of 60%. The reason being is he is trying to promote homegrown manufacturers and stop outsourcing. But some economists have warned this could push prices up for consumers, meaning that goods and services could go up. We do know China is the biggest manufacturer, so most of what we get comes from China. So for Trump to try and make everything locally grown, prices will increase naturally. And we do know that he's trying to bring prices down for simple goods and services. So there might be a clash in terms of the trade and what he's trying to do for the economy in terms of making it more affordable. He's basically trying to make America affordable again. That's been his motto, that's his slogan for the economy. Make it affordable for middle class and lower class people to be able to live a comfortable life in the country. I'd like us to cover another topic which has been a big topic from the time of 2015. So we do know that immigration is one of Donald Trump's biggest policies. He is looking at closing or basically sealing the border and stopping illegal immigrants from entering the country. He believes that these illegal immigrants are coming in with drugs, probably illegal weapons, and also gang-related activities that are taking place in the country. We do know that the cartel of recent has been declared as a terrorist organization by Donald Trump. This is one of the first executive orders that he signed since stepping in. So we can clearly tell that he's looking to stamp down on the border, seal the border, and look for ways to make it better for people to enter on a more legal basis. Back in the day, his stance on immigration was criticized much by the public. He's looking to take a more respectful route, if I may say, where he doesn't necessarily want all illegal immigrants out. He just wants immigrants coming in legally. Another thing that we need to pay attention to is the stay in Mexico policy. That basically means that Trump is looking at having all people that are trying to get into the country from Mexico wait within their country, apply the right way, and once they are eligible to enter the country, enter legally, which he believes will help the country solve issues like crime, basically. A very exciting topic that I'd like us to get into is the cryptocurrency and Trump's pro-crypto stance. This has, over the past few weeks, we've seen crypto jump to new highs, specifically Bitcoin, get to prices around 108 to 109K, which are all-time new highs for the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency. Things like XRP, all the other cryptocurrencies we have also saw a major jump in their prices during this period of the inauguration and during the period of Trump announcing his pro-crypto stance publicly. That got investors excited leading up to the inauguration. Now, something to pay attention to is on the inauguration day, we had a decline in some of our cryptocurrencies. This may just be due to the fact that Trump allegedly started his own cryptocurrency. We can't say that he has because he hasn't spoken about it publicly, but he started a meme coin called Trump, which basically saw prices from cryptos like Bitcoin and all the other major cryptos decline. That could also just be a factor of people expected Trump to speak about Bitcoin and crypto heavily in his inauguration speech, based off the fact that in the past he announced his stance and where he stands with Bitcoin. One thing we do know with Trump is he's looking to find ways of introducing Bitcoin into the country's strategic reserve, which will help the economy. Basically, when crypto goes up, the economy will do better. The price of the USD will go up, and he's looking at more innovative ways. We're moving into a new era right now. The crypto era is something exciting. It's an opportunity for everybody to make money from, and Trump is looking to capitalize on that and find ways of getting the country involved so that the government can hold a certain amount of Bitcoin that can stabilize and grow the economy. So on the day of the inauguration, unfortunately, we did not get what we wanted, but prices did reach an all-time high. So as much as he did not speak about crypto, I do believe that his stance is still on crypto. He is a positive activist for crypto, and he believes that crypto will take America to where they need to get to. During these exciting times, it is important to make sure that you have a partner that you can trade with that is trusted and has global recognition. FP Markets is a broker that is regulated worldwide and offers spreads up to zero point 0.0. FP Markets offers you trade and view integration, which is the biggest, which is what I'd like to emphasize today. The trade and view integration offers you the chance to have FP Markets on your trade and view where you can trade directly from. So at TradeSupreme.ai, we are offering a product that is available for the first 30 people. So guys, you need to sign up. The first 30 people will get access to the TradeSupreme website, where you will have a number of things that you can use, resources like a trading library that you have to your availability. You can go through it, look for scripts that you'd like to use. You can even edit those scripts by using the automation that we have available, a script generator. This allows you to take your strategies that you have created with the knowledge that you have over the years of trading. You put that into the script generator and you are able to get your outputs. Basically, you can have this as an indicator where it will not take trades for you. You can have it as a strategy where you put your inputs in and this allows the robot to take trades for you. So this basically gives people the opportunity to use it in the way that they see fit. A lot of people have 9 to 5s. They might not have the time to open trades automatically themselves. So there are options with the automation. That's where the strategy comes in place. As long as you put your correct inputs in, you get your strategy out. Make sure to evaluate it over time. Make sure to back test it as well. I wouldn't suggest that you take your script directly the first time and put it into a live market. Back test, and you are an experienced trader, so make sure you back test your strategies. Make sure that you evaluate and try and improve them over time. The automation allows you to you can basically play around with it, get used to it. It is very simple to use, and it is only available for the first 30 signups. Make sure you sign up. Once you sign up, contact us at TradeSupreme.ai on WhatsApp with your name and your surname. If you have any questions about the signups or difficulty signing up, you can contact us on WhatsApp as well. We will leave a link in the description below where you can sign up with FP Markets. And remember, the first 30 people get access to the automation and the website for free. After that, we will unfortunately be charging. So make sure you take advantage of this exciting opportunity that we have and get involved in the market and trade safely. Remember, guys, this is not something that guarantees you profits in the market, but just gives you a statistical edge. That's what we're looking for as traders. We're looking for an edge in the financial market. Guys, one thing to remember, and one thing that I'd like to emphasize on, is trading in the financial market involves a lot of risk. Past results do not guarantee future results. Make sure to trade with good risk management. Make sure to trade carefully. And one thing I'd like to say is make sure to back test everything that you do before getting into the market. So guys, today we discussed quite a bit on the economy and the current state of the US. I'd like to conclude the video by summarizing what we've discussed. We took a look at the elections, we took a look at Trump's policies and what he plans to do for the country. So it will be an interesting few months coming up, as well as a few years coming up. We'd like to see if Trump is able to follow through on everything that he's promised. We discussed his crypto stance. We do know that crypto is it's something that's trending right now, and we expect gains in the upcoming months and upcoming years. Hopefully, with Trump's pro stance, we can get that. We discussed these policies, major policies like the economy, trade, immigration, everything that he's just trying to clean up that he believes was basically a mess in the past administration. So today's video is basically, that's it for today's video. We'd like you guys to stay updated with anything all content that we have upcoming. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed the content. Make sure to subscribe below. We will leave links for the FP markets where you can sign up with our broker to trade. I wish you guys all the best on your trading journey. Make sure to trade carefully. One thing that I'd like to say is make sure to switch your notifications on for this video so you get updated and you basically know as soon as a new video comes out. We will be having more content like this, market updates on the regular for you. So it's good for you to subscribe so you can get all the content you need, all the fundamentals you need to boost your trading. I'd like to wish you guys a happy trading, good 2025, and we'd like to see everybody again in the next episode. From Trade Supreme and the crew, that's a wrap.